Hi everyone, welcome to Somar's cooking channel. Today I will be making 3 types jello. The first one is pandan leaf jelly with shredded coconut. The second one is egg jelly, which is popular in Chaplin dessert. And the last one is coconut milk jelly. And before we start, please like and share this video to your friends. And if you are new here, please subscribe to get more recipes. Okay, let's get started with pandan leaf jelly. First, we need to cut 10 pandan leaves into small pieces. Then, blend it with 1 cup and quarter of water. After blending, please strain the fiber out. Now, we have 1 and quarter cup of pandan leaf water. Here are the other ingredients such as shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon and a half of jelly powder, 2/3 cup coconut milk for topping, and 1 cup sugar. In this recipe, I will mix pandan leaf water with another 3 cups of water. I mix it with water to reduce the pandan leaf smell. After that, add jelly powder and start to dissolve it. Next, turn on the heat. Please stir it for a little while, then add sugar and salt. Continuously stir it until it's boiling. After the water is boiling, please add shredded coconut. Keep stirring for another 1 minute. Now you can pour it into the molds. Let it sit and we will make coconut milk jelly for topping. First, add 2/3 cup of coconut milk and add half teaspoon of jelly powder. Then stir well to dissolve jelly powder. Now turn on medium heat and stir it for a while. And then add 2 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. And keep stirring until it's boiling. Now coconut milk jelly is done. Before pour the coconut milk jelly on top, you have to make sure the pandan leaf jelly is set. After that, let it sit for another 30 minutes and it's done. Or you can put it in the refrigerator for just only 15 minutes. When the jelly is set, you can use a toothpick to remove it from the molds. It looks delicious. Now let's move to egg jelly. Here are the ingredients. We have 3 eggs and 4 cups of water, 3 pandan leaves, 2/3 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 teaspoon of jelly powder. First, we will break all the eggs in a mixing bowl. After wrapping the eggs, please strain it to get rid of clumps. Next, we will pour the water into the pot. And then add jelly powder and stir to dissolve it. When it's completely dissolved, please turn on to medium-low heat. To make this jelly, we will use pandan leaves to get rid of fishy odor of the eggs. Stir it for a while, then add sugar and salt. And keep stirring until it's boiling. When it's boiling, please take out the pandan leaves. Then pour in the egg gradually and keep stirring. After we finish the egg, please keep stirring for another 1 minute. Then pour it into the molds. And don't forget to remove the bubbles. After that, let it sit in room temperature for 30 minutes. When the jelly is set, you can easily remove it from the mold using a toothpick. Now our egg jelly is done. Okay, let's move to the last recipe. It is coconut milk jelly, and here are the ingredients. We have 2¼ cup of water and 1 teaspoon of jelly powder, 2/3 cup coconut milk, ½ cup sugar, and ½ teaspoon of salt. First, pour water into the pot. Then add jelly powder and stir to dissolve it. When the powder is completely dissolved, please turn on to medium-low heat. For this recipe, pandan leaves are optional. And stir it until it's boiling. When it's boiling, please add sugar and salt. And please stir to dissolve it. When the sugar and salt is completely dissolved, please remove the pandan leaves. Then pour the coconut milk in and keep stirring until it's boiling again. Here is the important key. When it's boiling, do not stop immediately. Please keep stirring for another 5 minutes. Otherwise, the jelly texture will separate between water and coconut milk. After boil it for another 5 minutes, then you can pour it into the molds. And don't forget to remove the bubbles from its surface. When it sets, you can remove it from the mold by using a toothpick. The 3 types Jello are all done. So which one you prefer the most? Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.